Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosis. Today in this video, let's talk about the forum which you can find inside the e-learning module of Odoo 80. So forum is basically an area which helps you to study a lot of things. So here peer-to-peer communication can be done easily. If you have doubts on any area of your learning, you can post a question and people who have better knowledge about your question can give you answers easily. So for this purpose, we use forum. So in Odoo, we have forum where you can ask questions on anything under the globe. So if it's on a specific topic, if I'm having a doubt in Odoo and I'm asking it to the community, people who have knowledge about it can answer me. And when I find out or I found out a better answer, I can mark it as the correct answer as well. So let's move on to the forum and see how all these operations are done using Odoo 18's e-learning module. So let's begin. For that, go to the e-learning module and here you will find forum. So if you can't find this, make sure you go to configuration settings and then from there enable the forum. So here you will have forum. So make sure you check it. And after you save it only, then you will find this forum menu. So click on forums and from there you actually have to create a new one. So you have the pre-created ones over here like help, basics of gardening, trees, woods and gardens. So I'll just open one and show you. You can see for help you have 6 posts and 11 views. Opening that from here. So let's wait, it's getting loaded. So here you can see the help, that is the forum which was pre-created. You can see the karma gains as well as the karma related rights over here. Okay, so I am not confusing y'all. Let's create a new one and for this I'll give the name as Odoo and you have two modes. Okay, so it can either be a question or a discussion. So if you're planning it to make it a question, then it allows only one answer. Okay, so if you are planning it to make a discussion, then there'll be multiple answers for the forum. So you can choose any of these. Right now I'm putting question. Okay, making it in the question mode. So if you just put it question mode, you can see the same thing which I said is given there. And here you have the website. Okay, so you know what website is for. So if you keep it blank, what happens is that um, it will be available in all the websites. Okay, so if you choose any specific website, what you're doing is restricting the forum. Okay, restricting it into a particular website and making it available only in the chosen ones. Okay, so Odoo Forum is basically a question and answer forum designed with providing customer support in mind. Okay, so adding a forum to a website enables you to build a community. You can actually encourage the engagement and also the sharing of knowledge. Okay, so that's the website, let it be there. And next you have the options where you have this order and visibility. Okay, so under order and visibility section, you have this default sort. So you can choose the sorting, how the sorting will take place. So for that, you have options like the newest, and then you have the most upvoted, relevance, the answered ones and all. So I am putting it to last updated itself, and then you have this privacy. Okay, so for privacy, you have things, you have three options, which is basically the public, signed in, and some users. So if you are putting it into public, what happens is that this will be visible to all people. If you are putting it to signed in, then only the signed in users can actually view the forum. Okay, and then you have some users. Okay, so what happens is that only some users, that is the authorized group which you are choosing, will be able to access the forum. So right now I'm putting it there itself, and from here you can actually choose how your questions are sorted by default. Okay, so that's what I said. The newest, what happens is that by last question posting date, that will be sorted. Then you have the last update, that is the latest posting activity date. Based on that date, this is the most voted, which is by highest vote tally. This is by the post relevance and by the likelihood to be answered. Okay, so that's the different, uh, you know, sorting things which comes. Okay, so you know how the privacy works right now. Next, you have this karma points, that is the karma gains and karma related rights. Okay, so let's choose the karma gains. So you can see here things like asking a question, question upvoted, and so much more. So this is asking a question. If you post a question, you get 2 points. Okay. If another user votes for a question you posted, what happens is that you will get 5 points. And if another user vote against the question you posted, you will lose 2 points. That is -2. And if another user votes for an answer you posted, okay, what happens is that you'll get 10 points. And if another user votes against an answer you posted, you lose 2 points. Similarly, you have if an other user marks an answer you posted as the best answer, okay, so yeah, that's the 15 points one. And accepting an answer is if you mark an answer posted by another user as best, you will be getting 2 points. And if your answer is flagged, that is a question or answer you posted is marked as offensive, you lose -100 points. Okay. So even the new users will receive 3 points upon validating their email addresses. Okay. So if you want, these are all the default values, okay? So if you want to change this, you can go to the configuration, okay? So under the configuration, you have configuration forums in the settings, okay? From there, you can select the karma gains and change it. Next, you have the karma related rights. So that was the karma gains. This is the karma related rights where you ask a question, that is if you post a question, like for that you will get 3 points, okay, that's the 3 points which you have. And for all the things it is given in detail, that is the default point. To edit it you should at least have this much. To ask a question you should at least have 3 points. To answer a question also you should at least have 3 karma gains. So that's the rights. It's like rules. Only if you satisfy these rules you will be able to do certain things which is specified over here. Okay, so that's the karma gains, karma related rights, and so much more. Now let's save this. Okay, I've saved it. Okay, so that's how a forum works. Now you can see post is 0, favorites is 0. If you go to the website, you can take a look at the forum that you've created. Okay, so this is the forum. So you can actually start by creating a post. So this is the forum, and here you have posts, right? Now let's go here and just take a look. So these are the different posts. So you can actually see the post here. Going to the forum again, choosing Odoo. So I'll just start by creating a post. The title I'm giving is What is Odoo? So that's my question. And if you want, you can add a description for it. Okay, then tags can be added like Odoo. So I'm creating a tag called Odoo. And once it's done, what you have to do is you have to post your question. Okay, so please help. This is the description I'm giving. So you have to specify a title, a description, and if you want, you can add tags and then post your question. Okay. So on an average, 45% of questions shared on social network gets an answer within 5 minutes. Questions shared on two social networks have 65% more chance to get an answer. So you can even share it in LinkedIn, Facebook, or even threads. Okay. So your question is posted, and if there is any answers, the answers will be seen here. You can reply from here. Okay, your three dots is here, which is to edit, close, delete a flag, or even create a ticket out of the forum. Okay. So here you have the option to comment and share, and also you can reply for it. So this is how you reply for it. And once the reply is given, so Odoo is an ERP software. And I'm posting the answer. So by sharing the answer, you will get additional karma points if your answer is selected as the right one. Okay, so the answer is given. Somebody has replied for the question. You can view your answer. And if this is marked as the best answer, so you cannot select your own post as the best answer. Okay, somebody else have to come and mark it as the best answer. So if somebody do that, then what happens is that you will gain some points. Okay, so here in the website you can actually see all the post, my post, favorites, people and badges also. So this is the different badges. This is actually kind of a gamification. So ranks and badges can be used to encourage the participation. Okay, so ranks are based on the total karma points. So after doing all these activities, you will be gaining some points. So when you have a total of 10,000 points, you will get a rank of doctor. If it's 2,000, you'll get master, 500 bachelor, 100 student, in one you'll get newbie. Okay, so different ranking is also there. So you can do a lot of things using the forum. So right now you know how to create a forum and how to post it. Okay, so going back to the forum, if you go to the, so here you can see for Odoo, that is the one which we created, you have one post and two views. Okay, so if you go to post, you can see what is Odoo. The reply is also given here. Okay, so the post will automatically be updated here under the forum posts. Okay, so that's how you basically create a forum. Okay, so I hope that's clear for you all. So that's how you can easily play with the forum. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.